That's my custom cruisers. For some reason, this is actually stable, but it's showing up as not. This is an add-on kit. Okay, basically got 3 switches which will light when the fuse is put back in, but I've not wired anything to it yet, so I've left everything loose. As you can see, it gives you voltage. I've put all the lights on. We've got LED lights and everything going on here. We've got a switch here as well, as you can see. Nice switch kit up here. We've got the LED speaker lights going on. Okay, we have got, put them on, the running lights on here. We've also got these, which are pretty cool. These are actually an indicator just here and a fog light. Okay, we've got the fender trim lights on. We've got the rings of fire. We've got some lights under there which aren't the best quality, but they're all right. We're going to fit LED and HID possibly in here. But as you can see, this really gets you noticed. And when we turn, you can see how much they light up. Very cool. These are Show Chrome, called Tridium or Tridium. They also fit in later lowers. These do fit the earlier bikes, as you can see, so you can actually use these much cooler lights than the round things that they normally have. Okay, but beautiful looking bike, I've got to admit. Got the lights going on here in the back of the indicators, the speaker lights, all the lights down here as well. So we've got red LEDs all the way along. We've got spoiler light here as well. Could be turned into a stop tail. At the moment it's just a brake light, and this also is wired up as a brake light as well. We've got the triple extensions going on, but as you can see, cracking bike. Sounds beautiful as well. Beautiful, beautiful bike, it really is. But I've got to admit, the pièce de résistance, if you like, is definitely these, where you're going to be seen. Let's face it, on a bike, if you're not seen, you're possibly dead. Literally, the idiots pull out on you all the time. But got to admit, you cannot miss the fact this bike is now turning. If you're interested, the lights run about 350 quid plus fitting. The lowers around about 145 quid for a decent make like that. Okay, bolt straight on if you've got an older bike or the newer bike for an upgrade. These things not mad on, not the best quality, some sort of bathroom light really. But the rest of it, very cool. So if you're interested in any great wing bits, including this switch, as you can see, these would normally light up like these, but we haven't got those on. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. We will be revamping the old site, aspencadeSpecialist.co.uk, which has got a couple of bits on, but not sure because it hasn't been done since before the COVID. Okay, stay safe, catch you later mates, cheers.